Hello everyone. This lesson will give you an idea how to draw eyes of a fish. So let us start. To draw eyes of a fish, we have to divide the eye line into 5 equal parts. Each part is equal to one eye. So here I am drawing few ellipse kind of structures similar to eyes. As you can see, there are 5 ellipses I have drawn. And let us start with a single eye. Let us see how to draw two eyes of a fish. So when you are drawing a fish, you should measure the length of the eyes, but in this case I have not measured any sort of length. Simply I am sketching. So let us see what are the problems that we have drawn here. These are the two lines which are parallel to each other. This is the length of the eye. So in between those two eyes, the measurement is less. So let us draw it once again to see how the measurement applied to the eyes or the distance between the eyes will affect the portrait. As you can see in the upper drawing, the length in between the eyes is less, whereas in the lower drawing it is perfectly drawn. Let us draw a few different kinds of eyes of faces. When you observe, you can see that different characters are having different types of eyes. Finally, we are going to draw a realistic eye without using any sort of eraser. So let us begin with two lines. So the structure of an eye is like an almond shape. I have drawn two lines, the upper line and the lower line. Then I am going to draw a semicircle. I am going to add few boxes inside it for highlight parts. And also I am adding one more semicircle for pupil. If you will take a reference, then it will be easy for you to draw the details of an eye. As of now, I have not taken any sort of reference for this drawing. It is totally out of my imagination. Here I have taken a blending stump for the darker areas around the eyes. You can also draw or smudge or blend with a tissue paper or a cotton. The borderline of eyeball should blend with a blending stump so that it will look more realistic. Take a blending stump and dark the bottom lid area. As you can see in the drawing, I have left few
a white space in between those two dark areas on the bottom length of the eye.
So it's the pupil which is the most dark area of an eye. So here I'm adding more dark tones to it. As much as dark you can do it. Then the iris part, and I'm leaving behind the highlight areas. I'm not going to touch them, as we are not going to use any sort of erasure, as I have said earlier. So this is the iris areas, and I have taken a blending stop to blend those strokes.
Add few eyelashes to the bottom lid. The pencil should be sharp, as you have to draw a few thin lines. So you need a sharp pencil. And as per your reference, you can draw the eyelashes. It should be in a curvy manner. To make it more realistic, I'm adding few more circular tones or shadings under the eyelashes for skin texture. Here I am blending those skin tones with a blending stub. If you don't have a blending stub, you can use tissue paper or cotton or earbud, whatever you have. Let us draw a teardrop to feel the expression of an eye. To bring the more skin details, you need different kinds of eraser or different kinds of tools that I will discuss in the next video. So watch my next video. In that I'll tell you how to draw the details of his skin. Hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.